Hello, friends. Welcome to today's English lesson. In this class, we are going to learn about conjunctions, words that join sentences, ideas, or words together. At the end of this lesson, I'm going to give you a quick practice test, so you have to pay attention and watch this lesson to the end. Without wasting time, let's jump into the topic. Section 1, Definition. A conjunction is a word that connects two or more words, phrases, or sentences. For example, I like tea and coffee. Here, the word and is a conjunction because it joins tea and coffee. Section 2, Types of Conjunctions. 1. Coordinating conjunctions. These join two equal ideas. We can remember them with the short form FANBOYS. 4. And, nor, but, lor, yet, so. Examples. I like tea and coffee. She is poor but happy. Do you want tea or coffee? He was tired, so he went to bed. 2. Subordinating conjunctions. These join an independent sentence with a dependent one. They often show reason, condition, or time. Examples. I stayed home because it was raining. Although he is rich, he is not happy. You will succeed if you work hard. Call me when you reach home. 3. Correlative conjunctions. These always come in pairs. Examples. You can have either tea or coffee. She is neither tall nor short. Both my parents and my teacher support me. He is not only smart, but also hardworking. Section 3. Practice for listeners. Now let's do a quick practice. Fill in the blanks with the correct conjunction. I was late. I missed the bus. You can take tea, coffee. She is poor. She is honest. If you know the answer, write them in the comments section. Otherwise, check the answer in the description box. So friends, conjunctions are simple but very powerful. They help us connect our thoughts and make sentences smoother. Practice them daily in your speaking and writing. Thank you for listening. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to follow, share, or subscribe for more English learning.